Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is rush as per the usual.
As per the usual.
We're getting ready to go to Jeep Week in Ocean City, Maryland. But we want to do a quick unboxing. Then we need to do a few quick installs on the Jeep, and then we're gonna hit the road. So when you guys are watching this video, we'll actually be in Ocean City, Maryland. So keep an eye on our social media, especially Instagram, like story feeds. We're gonna be doing the beach crawl and the beach obstacle course on Thursday morning. So if you see us down there, swing by, say hi. We'd love to talk to you and meet you guys. We're gonna do a quick unboxing because I'm a slacker.
Yep.
So what I got here, guys, is a worn winch cover for our Xeon 10S. It's just a little added protection, probably not necessarily needed, but you know, we're going to the beach, they got the salt air and what have you. I just wanted to put that on there real quick. That's gonna take 2 seconds to install. These packages here came from our PO box, and you know, the missus and I slack on the PO box.
Especially in the summer. Now
Yeah.
when kids go back to school, like we'll be back on a routine and life will be awesome. Somebody say you anthrax.
I know, dude. What the hell is in here?
I'm gonna get a plastic baggie. Maybe that's just the box. I don't think you opened it up right. You didn't open it up right. It's not a glitter bomb. That was the packaging. Aw.
Ah, sweet, yeah. Jeff, yes, Jeff. Thanks, yeah, he told me he was gonna be sending me these patches. He's on their SWAT, tactical unit.
Sending glitter bombs.
I thought it was a glitter bomb. You never know. Let's go back inside, the lens is fogging up. Dude, that was so sketch.
That's just the packaging.
Yeah, it's just it's padding for the packaging.
Oh, we were just talking to Kendall about this.
What is it?
A challenge coin.
Oh, that's awesome.
We were just explaining
Dude.
to Kendall the importance and like the significance of challenge coins because she got one.
She just finished Camp Cadet,
which
yes.
is huge accomplishment, and she got an awesome one. That is so cool.
Seriously, thanks, Jeff. And I'm going to send you my department's challenge coin and our patch. So, well, Heather just threw out your address.
Oh, I got it. Send us glitter bombs.
This is going to go in my office at work, even though I'm only going to be there probably for another 11 and some months.
Oh, that's so cool.
This is from Angel. And,
I'm still living that we thought you got a glitter bomb.
dude, I know. You just never know, man. Oh, check this out, Heddy. I almost think you need to open this. This is going to be you.
Hey, Steve and Heather, my husband and I, 67 Lopez and Kai Down, watch your channel and just wanted to make you this mat to support and show our love for the channel and your new name. I make custom mats on Etsy, link in my Insta bio, we're totally gonna link that, and thought it would be cute. Hope you love and keep the awesome videos up. Oh, Kimberly and
thanks,
Angel.
guys.
Oh my gosh!
That is so freaking awesome. I've been wanting to open this package, Angel, for a long time. Thank you, Angel and Kim. Seriously.
Oh my gosh!
That is so freaking cool.
That is so cool! Thank you!
Seriously, guys, thank you. You didn't have to do that, but, dude.
Oh my gosh!
We are blessed by the best subscribers ever.
That is so cool!
That is very cool.
Holy talent!
Guys, definitely check out his Instagram page.
Yeah, and we'll put the link of her Etsy page on there too.
It'll be in the video description. Always important stuff in the video description.
Oh my gosh, Christmas is coming up.
How cool is that?
That's so cool.
All right, back to camera. We're in a rush, guys. Sorry, but man, that is dude, this is heavy duty
I know,
too.
that like.
It's work. Now this package, I know who this is from too, because this is from Pro Clip USA. And whenever you get a new vehicle, or even if you have an old vehicle, if you don't have Pro Clip USA in your vehicle, you don't have their cell phone mounting solutions, something's wrong with you. Once you get, oh, thank you. They sent us a shirt, some decals. Once you get a Pro Clip USA mount, you'll never go back. You'll never go back. Like I had the Jeep for over a month, and it's been driving me insane not having a Pro Clip USA mount. I don't know if we're going to get to install this right away. Maybe I'll do it when we get to Ocean City, Maryland, but definitely check these guys out. Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Pro Clip USA. And for our subscribers, there is a discount code for you. It's in the video description, as always, which will link you to our website. And then there's a partners page on our website that has all kinds of discount information. We got to do a quick install, 2 quick installs. We're going to install this real quick and Quadra floor mats. So we're gonna have to, because we're going to the beach, we're gonna be on the sand. Gotta protect the carpet. I don't know how much it's gonna protect it, but anything you could do to help the situation, we're gonna do it. These mats are designed to fit perfectly. I don't know all the details and all that, how Quadra makes these, but supposedly they're better than WeatherTech. I already got a WeatherTech cargo liner for the rear because, well, Quadra didn't have any in stock, so I couldn't wait because we were making this trip today. Open for you.
Sweet, yeah, you know me.
Okay, where's that go?
I don't want to talk smack on anybody that had trouble with this, but on the back of these, you guys, there's a visual of where it goes.
Maybe they added that after the...
I don't think so, because all my old cars had this. So again, I'm not talking smack, but visuals, guys.
So, when you go to install these, you get to remove your factory floor mats and put these in their place. And they basically just plug and play. Get it? Plug and play. Let's just look at it.
First try. Because I'm a woman.
Man, I like them. Actually, these things are nice. They got a nice deep dish in them. They should help a lot.
I have just one suggestion. They should probably, not that men read directions, you prove that, but maybe just putting on their directions that there is a visual on the back.
So I already put the Warren protective cover on there. It is pretty simple. You just slide it on. It is a little tight in these areas because this is a 10S, but it's on there.
Did you hurt yourself?
I cut myself putting the winch cover in because it's tight in there. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
They are like snug fit. It's
like perfect fit. And I'll show you the weather. I really wanted the Quadra cargo liner. I really did. I didn't want to go with WeatherTech, but this is the thing I don't like about WeatherTech. I mean, I don't know. I'm just not happy. This little lip isn't a lot. It's not a lot. So I don't know. Wish Quadra had these things in, but man, look at that. It's Diesel. I'll come over and help you.
I'm good. What you have to do is you line it up and put that knob inside the hole and just press down. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I know our girls would have been able to do this.
I like it a lot.
These are a lot better than my WeatherTech ones.
Yes. I like it a lot. Very happy with that. I'm impressed.
Do they do these for
I don't know. Quadra mainly a Jeep company.
Hook me up!
Enough shenanigans. We are gonna hit the road. We're gonna throw all the stuff in here. This isn't as big as the Beast, so it's gonna be a little bit of a struggle to get all this stuff in here. We're all packed up, and the 2 back seats are folded down. You're definitely not gonna be able to take the whole family on vacation in the Jeep. That's for sure. Well, Heather packs very, very heavy. She packs for like, she's gonna kill me, guys, when she sees the video, but she packs like she's going away for like 2 weeks. When we're only going to go away for 4 nights, 5 days. She's insane sometimes. She's going to kill me when she sees this video. Just know that. We're in so much of a rush, we almost forgot to bring Belle. Attention to detail, yeah. It's getting ceramic coated while we're away in Ocean City, Maryland for the week.
How many followers did you get after you went viral?
For what?
And posted to go to bed.
Oh, I was just made aware of that. Chase didn't even tell me.
Did he tell you?
No, Chase didn't even tell me.
Yeah, like a couple videos back, I didn't realize it, but we got Kieran taking a leak in the background. You can't see anything. You just know what he's doing.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, we didn't realize.
Well,
all right, buddy.
Oh well. We'll take care of your truck for you.
Take good care.
I'm sure you'll have more fun than I am.
I'm sure it's hot.
Get some waves for them. Dude, it is hot out.
Yes.
It's seriously hot.
We had to stop at Wawa to fill up because we were below half tank. Let's reset MPGs and see how we do. There we go. Reset. And let's see how we do. What do you think?
I got beef jerky, so all's good in the world now.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Let's get out of here. I'm gonna give you an update on our trip. We're averaging 16.1 miles per gallon with these 37-inch tires, the 410 gears, and the adaptive cruise control. If you guys are ever wondering if, you know, lifting your Jeep and going on 37s, it would affect your adaptive cruise control, it doesn't. It works flawlessly. I love it. And if you guys aren't familiar with adaptive cruise control, check this out, Heddy. So you can adjust the distance that you want between the car in front of you by this button. You can make it closer, and then you can increase your speed by hitting this plus button, which that's normal. Most cruise controls are that way. But then if you look on the dash, you can actually see what speed you have it set to. We're not doing that right now, but I have it set to that so I can pass when I need to. But I haven't touched my brake or accelerator for the last 10 miles. It's awesome. I love it. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. So adaptive cruise control will work when you lift your vehicle if you have a Jeep Wrangler JL. Very cool feature that Jeep came up with, and they engineered it correctly. In case you wanted to lift your Jeep. It's foggy. See what I mean, guys? See what I mean?
What?
Nothing. Me and the viewers had a conversation when you weren't here.
Are you're talking smack on everything that I passed?
No, I would never talk smack, babe. Never. I promise you, I didn't talk smack. I just said you're very thorough in your packing. Hold on, lens clean. I just said you're very thorough in your packing and you do an outstanding job. I love you. My best friend, Blue.
That's right.
This is Beast Projects. We are.
Yeah, I got it. You're good.
I loaded it, guys. Oh, we're ripping the carpet up. That's what we do. Very, very destructive couple we are.
We'll clean it up though.
Well, yeah, we'll clean it up. I mean, we'll just not really clean that up,
But it's, you know.
yeah.
We fix it.
Yeah, we'll fix it. We'll make it right again. So we almost just lost our load. Oh my gosh, grow up.
When I look at you, I throw up.
Heather doesn't do good with turns, so
Wait to see me whip around on Thursday.
oh. It's got an interesting smell in here. You don't like doing wide turns, do you?
Oh my god.
I don't. Did we? I know it's an interesting smell. Huh? I don't know. What are you doing?
Yo.
Oh my G.
I'm staying here.
Yeah, just stay here. You really don't have too many choices when you book at the last minute and you add a room on. It is what it is, Miss Head. All right, guys, is it official? We got our OSV permit on the RubiBEAST project. RubiBEAST is going to make its maiden voyage on the OSV, and it feels kind of proper and fitting, right?
Totally.
That this is the first place that we're taking this thing off-road.
1000%.
Because the Beast spent so many trips here going off-road.
Yeah.
So
this is our place.
Yeah, this is our place.
This was our original place.
Yeah.
Like pre-slate run, this is our place.
So it's fitting.
Very.
Fitting. If you're in the area, keep an eye on our social media. We'll be going to different locations. Stop by, say hi.
Definitely.
Again, Thursday we'll be doing the beach crawl, and the missus is doing the obstacle course on the beach.
Yeah.
So we love you guys. Oh, make sure you like, subscribe.
Oh, yeah, like,
yeah,
make
make sure you give this video a like.
Thumbs
make
up.
sure you, thumbs up, a like, thumbs up, whatever.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, do that. Sorry, I'm out of sorts. It's been a long day. We both worked till midnight last night. I got home, I washed this thing. This thing was filthy. I never even washed it from day one when I bought it brand new. So I washed it because I wanted to get it clean before we came down here. And I think we went to bed like around 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. And then I woke up at 7. You got up like around 8:30.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm a little out of sorts. But again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you stopped by for the first time, make sure you smash that do something to that subscribe button. We love you guys. We'll see you in the next upload.